In this video, we will see how we can join two layers in QGIS. We have two layers here. One is a country layer and another one is a point layer. Point layer contains the capitals of the countries. So let's see the attribute table of the polygon layer. Open attribute table. You can see that here a polygon shapefile has only one field, that is country. Let's close this and see what the attribute table of this point layer. The point layer contains capitals and country, lat, long and time zones. So in both the layers we have common field, that is country. This is one important thing. We need a common field based on which two layers will be joined. We want to join layers and load this attribute in polygon layers attribute here. So let's do that. Right click on the polygon layer, properties, and then go to joins. Click on the green plus button. You will find the other layers here, since we have only one layer other than this one, so one layer is shown. Now here comes the most important part, that is join field and target field. Join field should be country and target field should be also country in our case. In other cases those field names can be different, like this could be in capital letter, or it could be country name or other things, but the values of this field should be similar, otherwise joining couldn't be done. Then if we want to select the fields, we can check on this and select the fields, but for now we will skip this so that all the fields will be added to our polygon layer. Then the last part, this is custom field name prefix. This will be added to our field names of our second, that means joining layers field names. So if the joining layers field name is lat, then that will be capitals underscore lat. You can change this as well. Let's keep it like this and click on OK. Our joining has been done. Let's apply and press OK. Now if we go to the attribute layer of our polygon, we can see that the fields from the capitals layer, point layer, has been successfully added to our polygons, and country name is common, so it is shown once. Thanks for watching.